Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust car light beams. To begin, park your car on a flat surface, approximately 25 feet from a wall. It's important to ensure your tires are properly inflated and your fuel tank is at least half full. Next, carefully measure the distance from the ground to the center of each headlight. This initial setup is crucial for accurate adjustments. Now, transfer those measurements to the wall. Use tape to create a horizontal line for each headlight center and a vertical line directly in front of each. Then, draw another horizontal line exactly 2 inches below your initial center line. Finally, find the adjustment screws on your headlight assembly, usually located near the top or side. With your low beams on, cover one headlight completely. Using a screwdriver, turn the adjustment screws for the uncovered light. Aim to align the brightest part of the beam with the lower horizontal line you marked. Once one side is done, repeat this exact process for the other headlight. Finally, uncover both and check the overall pattern. After adjusting, take your car for a short test drive, ideally at night, to confirm the beams are correctly aligned. Pay attention to how the road is illuminated and ensure your headlights do not blind oncoming drivers. Proper adjustment improves safety for everyone. Remember to check the description below for links to other great deals and to learn more about the new Kindle Paperwhite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.